Hi y'all, it's Alpha Dog Airsoft and family. Um, I just wanted to do a really quick video this morning, just letting you know that I will be having some more content available for some mystery box unboxings. We're still waiting on taxes, so hopefully here soon we'll get our taxes and I can get those ordered and then do the video on them when they get here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for my subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification for my future uploads. See y'all later. Bye.